Alright, we're going to christen my new noni with my take on a Chicken Marsala. Then I'm going to use a cheap, modest White Zinfandel. Something a little more drinkable, not so harsh as a Marsala. Just a little tease of sage, not a whole lot. Sea salt. And we're also going to hit these with a little bit of flour. Helps the sauces stick and thickens. Alright, a little couple tablespoons of olive oil in there. And we're gonna throw in the some Vidalia onion and fresh minced garlic first. Nice hot pan. Alright, we basically wanted to get a little caramelization going on, and now we're going to get them out of the pan, out of the way for right now, and put them back into our bowl. Alright, a little more, a couple more tablespoons of olive oil in there. Our pan's in around about 300 right now. It's about where I want it. And we're going to throw these thin sliced chicken breast right in there. I'm going to base all we're wanting to do is brown these up really nice. Alright. And around about that 300, don't seem to really have any real sticking going on. So far so good, man. I like how this guy's looking. Nice and smooth. Alright, that's been about a good 3, maybe 4 minutes. These guys, yeah, that's got some good color going on it. These guys flip. Tease it with a little more olive oil. Give those a good 3-4 minutes, and I'll throw the onions back in there. Saute them all together a little bit longer. Alrighty, yeah. What we got going on here? Oh yeah, some nice color going on there. Nice color going on there. Okay. And I'm ready to throw our onions back in there. And I have some chicken stock that we're going to deglaze the pan with and get all that yummy stuff off the bottom. No, move camera from above. Put it more to the side. Anyway, give it a little help. All that stuff will come off there, just a little help. And while stirring around, we'll also want to move our guys around because we want that flour to kind of dissolve off a little bit. That helps thicken us up some. While I'm at it, we're going to also add a couple tablespoons of butter. Alright, flip those to the side, yeah. Let that simmer for just a moment, soften up a little bit. We'll be right back. Alright, I got about a half a cup of that White Zinfandel wine. Pour that in there. Let that cook off a little bit. Oh man, I wish you'd smell this. Delicious. Very similar to Chicken Marsala, just not quite as harsh as the Marsala gives. This is a little, something drinkable. Put it in the food. I feel it does better than that just cooking wine. All right, we'll let that simmer just a little bit more, and we'll be back. All right, I'm gonna plate this with a little leftover rice I have from lunch. Put some of this on there. There we go. I better get this all dipped in there. There we go. Another little spoon of this over the top. Yeah. Alright. Now we're going to top things off here with a little broiled asparagus. That should do us nicely, huh? Alrighty. There she goes. Enjoy. I will. You all have a good one, man.